Hello everyone, how are you? You all are fine and safe? Okay, that's very nice. Students, you can observe here, this is your EVS 1 textbook, that is Environmental Studies, and I am your EVS 1 teacher, myself Savita Gaikwad. You know me very well. So students, before going to start our new lesson, I will check your previous knowledge. Means, in third standard, you have studied living things and non-living things. So tell me, what is mean by living things and what is mean by non-living things? Can you tell me? Okay. There are lot of things which we can observe or which we can observing we say these are the living things and these are the non-living things. So living things can grow, they can eat, also they can move here and there. Opposite of that, non-living things cannot eat, cannot drink water, cannot move. Okay, means living things can grow. Or all our surrounding, there are lot of living things and non-living things. So you just tell me, we are human beings. Human beings are living things or non-living things? Correct. We are living things. Okay, means you tell me which are the living things that you are observing in your surrounding? Okay, there are some animals, some insects are there. Okay, these are the living things that we are observing in our surrounding. So students, today let us learn about the life cycle of animals, that animals are living things. Okay, so what is the life cycle of animals? How they are growing? How animals give the birth to their young ones? That all things we can learn in this lesson. So student, let's start. Now we will see the growth of animals. Now a kid and a fully grown goat are not very different to look at. There is not much difference between a kitten and an adult cat. These babies grow in their mother's tummy and are born from the mother's tummy too. These animals do not lay eggs. But some animals like crows, spiders, lizards lays eggs. Here chicks also comes out from the eggs. Now we will see how a chicken is born from and eggs. Students, ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. The eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So, we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. Here you can see the eggs, various types of eggs. We can see these eggs easily. A hen lays eggs. For that eggs, warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When chicks' growth is complete, the chicks breaks the eggshell and comes out. You can see here the chicks break down the eggshell and they have comes out. Also, when chicks come out, you can see hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Okay, students, you can see here chicks are similar to the hen. Okay, means young ones are similar to their adult. Now, when a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear. She becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. Means while hatching, hen becomes very aggressive. Okay, students, because she wants to take care of her eggs. Now, students, I hope you all have understand what is the life cycle of a chicken. Means how chicken is born from an egg. Now, students, it's study time. I will give you a question and you have to write its answer in your own words. Now, what is the question? The question is that what are the similarities between the hen and her chicks? Whatever are the similarities between hen and her chicks, you have to write your own words in your notebook. Now students, it's activity time. What activity you have to do? That I will tell you what you have to do like activity. For this activity, you have to collect some pictures. Now which pictures of them? I will give you the question of that activity. The question is that which animals lay eggs and which do not lay eggs? That means whichever animals are lays eggs, collect their pictures and paste in your notebook. Also, which animals do not lay eggs means animals give birth to their young ones, means they do not lay eggs. That animals pictures you have to paste in your notebook. Do this activity in your notebook. Click the picture and send that picture to our WhatsApp group. Okay students, now you can do this activity in your notebook. So students, next point we will see, that is metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Means some animals of their young ones are not similar to their adult. That means there is a differentiation between adult and their young ones. That is we call metamorphosis. So students, here metamorphosis means some animals, their young ones grows into an adult animals that looks very different from their young one. This change is called a metamorphosis. Okay student? Here you can see a new term, that is hatch. Hatch means when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. This term we have seen in life cycle of a chicken. So students, I hope whatever I taught you right now, that all you have understood very well. Read the lesson carefully and do the study whatever I told you. Remaining part of this lesson, that is metamorphosis in a butterfly, that part we will see in the next session. Okay, now whatever questions I given to you, solve that questions in your notebook and do the activity in your notebook and maintain your notebook properly. So students, see you in the next session. Bye bye.